Okay, well, unbelievably, it's a week ago that we were preparing for what turned out to be probably the biggest gathering of people ever in the history of this police force. I do want to say thanks to everyone involved in the planning and delivery of the policing operation. I've had nothing but praise all week, and obviously I've personally claimed that, although it really was the biggest team effort you've ever seen. And I would want to repeat my thanks to those of you who weren't engaged in policing the parade but had to deal with the rest of Leicestershire and Rutland during the day. It was a massive effort, so thank you. On the sporting theme, I chaired last week the Force Sports and Leisure AGM. If you're not a member, have a look at their new website and see the kind of things that they're getting up to. And if you are a member, you'll be aware of the opportunities that there are to play sport and to engage in gym membership and the like. It's a really good thing, and I'm quite proud to be engaged as its president. Can I congratulate DC Grant Bailey, who just won the National Financial Investigator of the Year award for his contribution to Operation Expect, which was to do with gangmasters licensing. He identified millions and millions of pounds of illegitimate gain and won the national award last week, which is a fantastic achievement. And then a few things to wind up. Firstly, everyone who's put themselves forward for promotion, thank you for putting yourself forward. Not everybody can be successful, and we've had to make some choices based on work-based assessment and also based on interview processes. And many congratulations to those of you that have passed, and commiserations to those of you that have not been successful on this occasion. Over the weekend you'll have seen much about diversity in policing through the Home Affairs Select Committee. And is this an area we need to do more work on? Yeah, of course it is. But what we want is diversity of thought, diversity of action, diversity of ways of working. And I think we're some way to achieving that. There is, of course, more to do. If you look at the Home Affairs Select Committee report that attracted all the attention over the weekend, we're the third most diverse force in the country. And lastly, somebody has to do it, but I was very honoured last week to represent you at the Prince's Trust Garden Party at Buckingham Palace. Myself and Caroline Neal, who's done all the hard work from HR, were able to spend some time there rubbing shoulders with various celebrities and actually having the opportunity for people to say thank you to us for the contribution we make to the Prince's Trust, which is a fantastic charity that helps young people to achieve in a way they maybe otherwise wouldn't do. So thanks a lot, have a good week.